I told you if you ate the grass. You make me this, bring me up, bring me down.
For that case.
Great. So
Oh God.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
For the bush, kiddo.
Yeah.
You want some bush? You want some?
My cat in heat.
Excuse me. What are you? Whoa! Hey! Get your little tiny ass off of her. No! We're not boy cats. Stop. No. Oh. You.
Wolfie, you remember meow? Okay? Wolfie, pay attention. Make a cat sound. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my God, he did it.
Get your ball. Get the 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 ball. Okay, go. Go, 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 go.
So I'm Dude.
That's not my cat. Totoro. Totoro.
Hey Evie, so yesterday I was with Marissa and we went outside to go potty and I asked her if she wanted to go to work with me. A little bit. What are you doing, Dad? Are you chewing?
Kaja. Kaj. What do you think about life?
Okay, we got a steak, mashed potato, side of fries for a Tito. Is there a Tito here? There he is. Okay. Got a Cobb salad, extra avocado for a Shadow. Is there a Shadow here? You Shadow? Okay. Got a Meat Lovers pizza and a Stromboli for a Chancers. Are you Chancers? Okay.
Hey, stop it! Weirdo. Not funny. Stop it.
Look at me. Look at me. Hey. Hey. Hey, you. Hey, you. You.
He's ignoring the shit out of you.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hey. What are you doing? What are you growling at?
That lip.
She won't eat her food. I tried everything, so I'm trying the TikTok hack.
You make your food taste good. Unless, do you want to eat now? You don't want to eat, so I'm gonna make it taste good. Wow. Throw some spices in it. Ooh.
Lol, my fake taste test. 10 tenths acting. Where's my Oscar?
So demanding. Oh, you're mad and you want food? Okay. We'll get you some food. That's an easy fix, bud. Come on.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Start with me today. Promo 10. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got Beanie. Number 2, we got Heat. Number 3, we got It. Number 4, we got Beat. Number 5, we got And number 6, we got Cheat.
Look how much my cat trusts me.
Yeah, come. Come.
Why are you licking the pillow? Clifford, stop it.
우유 줄까? 우유 줘? 네. 나 엄마 우유 줄게. 기다려봐.